iOS 18.2 is officially here, and if you want to use ChatGPT on your new iPhone 16, so this is my iPhone 16 Pro Max. After you update your phone to iOS 18.2, you need to go into Settings, and then you're gonna find Apple Intelligence and Siri. Make sure this option is turned on, and then scroll down, and you're gonna go into ChatGPT. And also you need to enable Use ChatGPT, and then you're gonna hold on the power button. And now double tap at the bottom of your screen. Then you will have Type to Siri, where you can say something like Use ChatGPT, and then you're gonna describe what you're going to do with it. So I'm gonna use ChatGPT to create an image of Angkor Wat. Okay, something like that. So I'm gonna send this description, and then it is working with ChatGPT right here on the top, you can see. So just wait like few seconds, it's gonna pop up an image for you, so you can see it look really cool. And there are many options with this one. You can describe whatever you want, as long as you type or use ChatGPT, it is going to work.